This is a MySQL. MySQL is an open source database software which is supported by Oracle company. MySQL is a database management system for web servers, and it is a fast, scalable and easy to use database management system. So we have to see that how to create a database in MySQL, how to create a table in MySQL, and what are the queries for that. So to create the database in MySQL, query is create database, then database name. Then to create a table, we have to write a query create table, then table name. Then we have to pass the column name and their data type. Then we have to enter the multiple columns in the table, so we can write a multiple columns with their data type by separating a comma. Okay. Then if you want to describe the tables, means how many columns are present in the table and what is the data type of that column, we have to see that by using a describe table name. This is the query to describe the table. Then we have to do it practical. This is a MySQL command line and we have to do the practical on it. So firstly enter the password. Now we have to see the databases. So enter show databases command. These are the databases. Now we have to create a new database. So command for creating new database is create database and database name, suppose student record. Now we have to create a table into that database. So firstly we have to use the database. So enter use. Now write the query to create a table command. Create table, table name suppose student, then column name with their data type ID, then next column will be name, data type is varchar of size, then city, make primary key to the ID column, okay. So we have created a table student. Now we have to see the tables from student record. So query is show tables. So database is student record and table is a student. Okay. So in the student table, how many columns are there? We have to see that. So query is describe and table name is student. So this is the information about student table. In the student table there are 3 columns: ID, name and city. Type of ID is integer and this is the 11 byte is the size. Type of name column is a varchar and type of city column is also varchar. Okay, so we don't want the ID as a null, so null value is no. Then varchar means name and city we can put as a null, so it is a yes. And we have made the ID as a primary key, and extra information about ID column is a auto incremented. Okay, so we have to insert the data into that table. So we will see into next video.